Hit. Oh, great, Springer. And her film.
Oh, good shot.
Hey.
Hit. So what are we doing now?
Put it onto the other team's plastic.
Blue. Blue. Where is it? Where?
It's on our base.
Where do I have to put it?
Flag station.
Where's the flag station? Oh. Right here?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Good shot. Blue, 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 blue.
Dry fire. One good magazine.
You hear me? Blue. Blue.
I shot you in the butt. He got me. I got you and you. Good job. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Sorry, I got a Springer. It doesn't hurt. Hey, can we back up? Can we back up for a few?
Blue team, back up.
Look. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Just hit the door and let's go. Give them some time to get out of their spawn. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa, dude. Relax. It's all right. Thank goodness your aim isn't that good. Watch your back. Watch your back. Are you using a Springer too? Nice. Boom, boom. Going back, going back. Gotta love the spring. Silly me. Standing there being cocky because, oh, there's two teammates sitting right here. I won't get shot around the corner. Bang, bang. Right there, right there, right there. Watch your back. You're dead. Oh, did I get you?
Maybe.
I
missed
know.
right here.
I know. It did look just like. I'll go back too. We're too close. Can I switch? Can I switch?
It's almost over.
Oh, sorry. Good shot, good shot.